Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tom Yum powder, a versatile blend of dried Thai herbs. Making your own ensures fresh, vibrant flavors for your favorite hot and sour dishes. This homemade powder offers a convenient way to infuse authentic Thai taste into your cooking, anytime you desire. It's a simple process that yields incredible results, elevating your culinary creations with ease and a burst of traditional spice. To begin, gather your essential fresh ingredients. You'll need about 4 stalks of lemongrass, a 2-inch piece of galangal, and 6 to 8 kaffir lime leaves. For heat, prepare 5 to 7 dried red chilies. Also, have 2 medium shallots and 4 cloves of garlic ready. These core aromatics are the heart of Tom Yum, providing its signature fragrant and spicy profile. Next, prepare your fresh herbs for drying. Thinly slice the lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, shallots, and garlic. Spread them evenly on dehydrator trays or baking sheets. Dry them at a low temperature, around 125 degrees Fahrenheit, until they are completely brittle, which may take several hours. Once fully dry, combine all the dried ingredients, including the chilies, and grind them into a fine powder using a spice grinder or a powerful blender. Once your Tom Yum powder is ready, proper storage is key to maintaining its potency. Transfer the powder to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dark pantry. It will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 3 months. To use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons per serving to your soups, stir-fries, or marinades, adjusting to your taste preference for a quick and authentic Thai flavor boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.